What it do, grind family? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is follow these guidelines. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, and watch this video all the way to the very end, and look out for a code word that will pop up in this video, and then type that down in the comments below. And once I reach 5,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win some free money. So follow those guidelines and get a chance to win this free money. Now let's get into this video.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get paid $495 to like YouTube videos for free. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop that comment down below if you have any questions about this method. Now, before I get into this method, guys, I need you guys to help me get to 5,000 subscribers. I'm not too far away, and I want to get there by the end of this month. We only have 6 days left, so let's get there, guys, because I want to give away some free money to 3 people, and we need to get to 5,000 subscribers by the end of this month. So please share this video, like it so more people will check it out on YouTube, and let's get to that milestone. All right, guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because it's going to be some steps you got to take, and I don't want you to miss out on making this money. So without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you how you can get paid $495 to like YouTube videos for free. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, guys, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website. The name of this website is Picoworkers. So on this website, they have a lot of tasks that you can do, and you can make some money from doing it. So it says here at Picoworkers, tasks are accomplished fast, projects are low cost, employees are fulfilled, workers are happy and compensated promptly. Most of all, it simply works. So they're just discussing what this website is to the customer that come here. They want to hire people to do tasks for them. So you're going to log in and you're going to sign up and you're going to become a worker. Now, here are some of the tasks right here you'll probably be doing. So we're going to be talking about YouTube likes today. So right here it says YouTube, vote for this video, you get 10 cents. Follow me on Twitter, there'll be 12 cents. Insurance form sign up, $1.50. And as you can see, it's a lot more tasks up here you can do. So I know this amount real small, the amounts are real small, but the tasks take a few minutes, probably less than that. You know, like if you liking a video, that only take a couple of seconds, and you can do a lot of tasks within 3 or 4 hours, and you can make some real good money doing this. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and log into my account and show you how I look inside of this website. Okay, I'm inside my account. So as you can see here are the jobs available. And guys, you always ask about international, things that you can do that's available all around the world, because a lot of you guys said in other countries that the website doesn't work. This website should work in your country because as you can see here, this is international. So they got all different type of tasks here. But since we're going to do YouTube, you're going to be watching YouTube videos and you're going to be liking them. So we're just going to click right here for job name, YouTube. And as you can see here, YouTube comes up. So share, you're going to get 3 cents. And let's find so YouTube, just watch, comment, subscribe, and like. You get 4 cents. Here's another one where you're going to be liking the video. You get 4 cents. Another one, 6 cents. I know this very low, guys, but look at all these jobs. It's a lot of jobs, guys. It's a lot of jobs, and they're available every day. Every day you're going to have a lot of jobs you can do. And those cents is going to add up to dollars, and those dollars going to add up to hundreds of dollars. Because these tasks don't take no time at all to complete. And as I said before, you got other things you can do. So you're not going to just be liking videos. You're going to be doing all kind of other tasks too to make this good money on here. Now, once you accumulate enough money, you'll be able to go here and you'll be able to withdraw. You got to have a PayPal account. So you'll be able to withdraw whatever your balance is. So the balance is, so you can place a withdrawal request only if your balance is over $8. Guys, you're going to get $8 real quick. So if you want to go ahead and get that $8 out once you make that amount, you can go ahead and get it out. Or if you want to wait till you get 100, 200, it's up to you. All right, guys. I want to show you one more website that's similar to this one. So if for whatever reason you can't find any task to do that's related to liking YouTube videos, you can also go to this other website. I've talked about it before. This other website that's have the same type of tasks that this website has. So let me go over to that website right about now. All right, guys, I'm at the next website, and it's called Picoworkers. I have talked about this before. They look like they redesigned their website. So give me time to navigate through this website and show you everything that you can do on this website. So as you can see here, business owners, we're going to come here and they're going to hire people to do small tasks like take surveys, and I'm going to give a review, test one of their apps, or write an article. And here's some of the examples where here's how it looks on the dashboard. So as you can see in there, they got write a blog, you get 50 cents, promote a viral video, you get 4 cents. And so you deliver the work and get paid, and they just showing also the same what it looks inside. Now I'm going to show you how much money these people are getting on this website. So I'm going to click on here where it says freelance and earn. All right, here's the latest completed tasks. So this person right here earned 8 cents. This person right here earned 3 cents. And look at the total earnings, $133, guys. As you can see, I'm just going to scroll down here. 377 total money they received, $523. And these people are all in different parts of the world, different countries, guys. So this is a good website to come on here and do small little simple tasks and get paid some good money quickly, guys, quickly. Just doing simple tasks. All right, guys, that's all I'm going to show about this website because I have talked about it before. But if you want to go ahead and get started, just go to Picoworkers.com and also go to rapidworkers.com. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 200 likes. Yes, 200 likes. It's really going to help me, guys, if I get 200 likes. And drop that comment down below if you have any questions about this method. And please don't forget to type the code word that popped up somewhere on this video. Because when you type that down in the comments below, it's going to give you a chance to win this free money once I reach 5,000 subscribers. And please share this all over the internet because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop because I make videos like this every other day. Okay, Grind family, thanks again for tuning in. One more thing before I go, please go check out my new channel that I just started maybe a couple of weeks ago. It's called Hustle, Grind, and Grow TV. And please subscribe. And please go check out my podcast show. It's called Hustle, Grind, and Grow Show. Links will be in description for both, for the podcast and the channel. All right, guys, that's it. I'm out of here. Road to 5,000 coming soon. 6 days left. Let's get there. Come on, Grind family. You're the best. You're the best YouTube channel in the world, and we can make it to 5,000 and beyond. So let's go, guys. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Peace, and have a prosperous day.